Marzipan is a confection made of ground almonds, honey or sugar, and sometimes scented with rose or almond extract. Into a food processor we are adding 2 cups of almond flour and 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. Then add 1/4 teaspoon almond extract, and then 3/4 tablespoon of rose water. And 1 tablespoon of plain water to start with. And then just a few pulses in the food processor. Check the consistency. It needs to be moist and beginning to come together like a dough, so if the mix is still dry, add another tablespoon of water. While store-bought marzipan is quite expensive, it is so very simple to make and it literally takes just a few minutes, as you can see. Transfer the mixture onto a work surface and begin pulling the marzipan together into a dough. Wrap the marzipan in a plastic film and store in a cool place. And because it doesn't contain any egg, it can be stored outside of the refrigerator for up to about 3 weeks. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe video. Thank you for watching.